Hey y'all. So Zach here with a Tech 5 video tutorial where we're going to try to show you how to do something that'll save you time, save you money, or simply save you headache in under 5 minutes. So let's see if we can get that done here. Today we're going to show you how to do a client satisfaction form using Google Forms. Now you can do this in Microsoft Forms as well, but today we're just working in Google Forms. All right, so here we are in Google Drive. We're actually going to go grab a new document. More Google Forms, blank form. As you can see, you could also do from a template, but we're not going to get into that just yet. So let's name our form. Please tell us how we did. And then we're going to go over here. We're going to get this right though, because that's how we're doing it today. We're going to go over here and actually name it. As you can see, grab the title of this. You could change that if you want, but it's saved. And they go ahead and assume that we're going to do at least one question. So we've got one queued up here and we just start typing. So first would be, how did you hear us? And you can do the type of question right here. Right now we've got it in multiple choice, but if you drop it down here, we can do a drop down. You can do paragraph, short answer, check boxes. You can even have people upload a file. So we're going to do a drop down and we're going to say, and we are just creating the drop-down options here. We add yellow pages just to make sure that nobody is a time traveler. Facebook, Instagram, some sort of referral service. And other. Okay, so now that we've got all our options, if we want another question, we just go up here to the plus right there, adds it right below it. If we want to move these around, we can grab those 6 little dots and move those around if we need to. So we've got, would you rate us? And since we use the word rate, it goes ahead and cues us to a linear scale. You can move it if you want, but I'm going to do 1 through 10, and we're going to do horrible as 1 and amazing as 10. We're going to go ahead and add another. And just would you use this again? It kind of can tell that this is going to be a yes, no question. I'm going to go ahead and add all. So we've got yes, no, maybe. And it also gives you the option of doing other. So we're going to add other. And you'll see when we go to the email that it actually gives you a other and then a form to fill in. So we're going to add another one. And this is really just please leave comments. And it goes ahead and kicks it to paragraph because it knows what we're going to do. Now we can make it a short answer, but I'm going to leave it a paragraph. We're not going to make it required. These buttons over here give you some more options, so you can hit a description. And that'll just be a little descriptive thing. So up here in the painter's palette, you can change the colors, change the theme if you'd like. We've got it on purple. You can also add a header image by clicking choose image. Add your own company header if you would like, or you can add from what they've already got in here. Apparently we're having a little bit of trouble getting there, but you can upload an image that way if you would like. More importantly, we've got the send button here. And if you click on that, you can send via email, you can send a link, or you can embed an iframe into your web page, and you can change the width and the height right there. You can also share it via Facebook or Twitter. If you want to text this to somebody, I would suggest, going to the link and then shortening it to the URL to a forms.gle. Today, though, we are just going to email this to me. And we're going to include the form in the email because that's actually the greatest advantage of emailing it. And you'll see it goes ahead and puts that form, all those questions right in the email, makes it very simple for your client. And we all know that the simpler it is, the more inclined they're going to be to do it. So we're going to click send. It got sent to us, and we're going to go ahead. This is what it would look like. It would take the color that you had sent it as. This is actually a previous one that I sent myself to show you an example. But we've got, how did you hear about us? And it all drops down. We can use the linear scale, and then we can type whatever we want in there and hit submit. Anyway, that is how you make one of these client satisfaction surveys. And you can automate this. You can use Zaps to make this go a little bit faster. I hope this saves you a little bit of time. I hope this saves you a little bit of headache. And thanks for watching the Tech 5. Hopefully we got that under 5 minutes.